You're my inspiration, girl, you take me places, put the words right into these songs.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Sephora haul for you. And I haven't done one on my channel in a while, and I actually had to go there. I ran out of my Josie Maran body butter, so I had to go get that. But of course, I ended up getting some other goodies, so I just thought I'd make it a full video and show you guys what I picked up. So if you guys want to see more like makeup hauls like this, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And I'm just gonna roll right into this video just so I can show you guys everything that I got. So if you guys have been watching my videos pretty regularly, you know the Josie Maran body butter is just like my all-time favorite pregnancy must-have. I didn't even know what I would do without it during my pregnancy. It really is the best moisturizer I have ever used, and it just is so hydrating. It's such a thick body butter. So I think that is like the third time that I've probably purchased it since I've been pregnant. And then of course the other one that I use is bio oil. But I did pick up some other things, and I just thought I would share with you guys what I got. Not a whole lot, but just some goodies that I'm excited about. So the first thing here that I got is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. So you guys know I have been obsessed with Fresh, especially since I've been pregnant. I really do love their products, and I love the fact that they're pretty affordable. Like, they're not that expensive, but they work really, really well. I'm currently actually using the Fresh Toner, the Rose Toner, and then also the moisturizer as well. So it's nice that I can kind of use the entire product line right now, and I've just been really, really liking it. So I'll let you guys know my thoughts. If you guys have tried this though, let me know what you guys think. I just love Fresh products. And the toner is absolutely amazing. It makes my skin feel so soft and smooth after I use it. The other thing that I picked up, so I bought this actually in a small size. This is the Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. So I got like this small mini version of this, and I tried it twice, and it like honestly made my skin feel so hydrated, so smooth. And you put this on at night and you leave it on until morning, and then you rinse it off, use your cleanser, and it just makes your skin so smooth and so silky. So yeah, I have been really loving this. Really nice product to use during the summertime as well, just to get that extra hydration. And then right here, okay, wow. So right here, I got the Tasha Deep Cleanse. This is actually like the 100 points that I got. So I'm really excited about this actually, because I've been using this cleanser since I've been pregnant, and this is just a mini one. So this is really great for travel. This is the bottle right here. So I have the full size bottle in my washroom right now. I've been using it for months and I love it. It's just a really nice light cleanser, but it's also an exfoliator. So it really is nice if you guys have oily skin like I do. And it removes all your makeup as well, which is great. The other things I picked up right here from Becca, and I was really excited about these. These are the Chrissy Endless Summer Glow collab products that she came out with. So this is the Endless Bronze and Glow. This is so pretty, you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. And I love the highlighters and blushes by Becca. I think she has some of the best. So you get your bronzer, your blush, and then your highlight as well. And I've used it already actually once because I had to. It's just so pretty. So that's what it looks like all together right there. It's just a really nice summery sun glow that you can get, but I do use her blush every day, so I absolutely love her blushes. I really do love her blushes though. I think they are amazing and so pigmented, and the glow that you get from her highlighters and bronzers and her blushes are just so different from every other brand that I've tried. So I really do love her face products. And then right here, I actually got a Lippies. So this is the Endless Summer Glow, what is this called? Glow Gloss. And it's in Beach Bum. So, ooh, it was the nude one. This is what the packaging looks like, and it's a gloss. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand to show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like right there. Really, really nice. I don't want to put it over top of what I'm wearing because I'm wearing a pink right now, but that is really nice just over top of like a nude. I'm sure you can probably wear this by itself. It looks quite pigmented to be a gloss. Okay, so the other palette that I got, so this was actually a rebuy. I have the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, you guys. This was actually one of my favorite shades of all time. It's a really nice golden bronze, which I'll show you guys in a second because I repurchased it. But I've been using this palette for so long now, and it's one of my favorites, and I really love these two shades, like the rose gold and the gold, so I wanted to repurchase it. Oh my god, so pretty. You guys, it's just so perfect for an everyday natural look, and I love the shades. Like, they're so pigmented and creamy. Like, look at that. Oh, I used to wear this like all over my lid and then just go in with like this shade right here in my crease, and it's just perfect for every day. So this one right here is more of like a soft, sexy, smoky eye that you can do. So this is the Boudoir Eyes. You do get really, really nice shades in this palette. I don't think I'll reach for this one as much as the other one. This is really nice though for like a night out. Of course, I love Too Faced shadows. I think they have some of the best eyeshadow palettes out there. So yeah, I got those. So right here I have the Tarte Maracuja Oil. I think I'm saying it right, but it's just a small one because I actually wanted to try it out to see if I wanted to get the full size. If you guys have tried it, let me know your thoughts. I've heard amazing things, obviously, but this is it right here. I'm sure you guys have seen the big bottle. They're pretty much known for their oil, but yeah, I heard you can put this on your face, your body, and I'll try it out and see how I like it. And if I like it, I might go get the full size because I've been looking for like a really good face oil. If you guys know of any that you guys like, let me know in the comments down below. I had to actually just go get this for my washroom because I've already started using it. It's the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. So this is my third one. If you guys are pregnant, this is like a must-have. And I was actually following a YouTuber that used this religiously when she was pregnant, and I had to try it out, and then I was like, I can see why, because it's unbelievable. So I've already used quite a bit, and I think I went to Sephora like last week, so I've had that stuff in the bag for a little bit now. It smells so good. I actually got the, which one is this? I think this is the vanilla one. They have different scents though. I used to have the unscented one, but I do like the vanilla one for summer. It's really nice because when it goes onto your skin, like it's a thick ultra body butter, but it kind of dissolves into like an oil base, which is really nice. So it just gets my belly just so lathered up. And then I also put on the bio oil, which really has been helping. So those two together have just been like my favorites. So I apologize if I'm a little tired in this video. It's actually, we just finished eating dinner, so it's like 8 o'clock right now. And yeah, so I just wanted to film this and get this up for you guys because I was like, I really want to do a Sephora haul because I was so excited when I went there and just got beauty products because I haven't really played around with makeup that much during my pregnancy. I've kind of just been doing like a very natural look. So it's nice to kind of get some new goodies. I wanted to quickly show you, they aren't from Sephora, they're just from the drugstore, but I was really excited about this actually. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette, and these shades are so stunning, you guys. This is the palette right here, and I love the rose gold. I love the shades. It kind of reminds me of the Peach Perfect palette by Too Faced. Look at these shades, and they smell like peaches. They smell really, really good. And I'm just gonna swatch one. Very pigmented, very, very pigmented. I'm not wearing my ring right now. I actually took it off because I was putting on this stuff, and when you put this stuff on, you guys don't want to wear your rings because it gets super oily. So I just thought I'd mention that. But the other things that I got right here are the Essie nail polish. Now, I've been asked a lot, are my nails going to be on when the babies arrive? No, they will not. I actually am gonna remove them probably in the next like 3 to 4 weeks. And I wanna get my nails a little bit healthy before they come here, so I'm gonna try to get them as healthy as possible. And this is just like a base coat nail lacquer that I picked up. So just a nice light, soft pink. Anyways, you guys, that's all the new beauty products that I have from Sephora. I mean, I didn't go crazy because I'm just not wearing a lot of different makeup right now, and I just got the things that I've been wanting to try. So a lot of skincare, as you guys saw. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and of course I have some really exciting ones coming your way. And yeah, if you guys are not yet a part of the SL fam, make sure you guys subscribe now to my channel. Also, head on over to the vlog channel. I have so many videos going on over there, you guys. If you guys are into like home decor or just like pregnancy updates and everything like that, pretty much my life is over on that channel, so if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You're my inspiration, girl, you take me places, put the words right into these songs.